Okay, so I'm gonna restow these, the blueberry tomatoes, the Aunt Molly's, and then the tamale, tomatillo. And then the puna cucumber, garden sweet, and then the white wonder. Also, some more nasturtium, pumpkin. I think I have one out here, but I'm gonna sew maybe 2 more. And then of course the candy roaster, and then the hem of butternut, and then a sweet dumpling squash. Then of course the orange sweet, the moons and stars watermelon. I have one right here. As you can see the yellow spots, that's so cool. So they have like the little spots on the watermelon itself. And then of course the sugar baby, and then these small mini melons right here. And then these other 2 that I have sitting back here are mysteries. I believe they are squash by the shape of the leaves. By the shape of the leaves. So yeah, we gonna see. But I know it's not watermelon because the watermelon leaves are shaped more with the little more dense, you know, and they're a little more elongated. So yeah, I cannot wait to see what this looks like. This is gonna be so pretty with the yellow spots on it. Like, it's just so different. Excited. And then this one, I believe it's looking like it may be I don't know. I don't even know. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know. We're gonna see.